to my channel, Our Beatrice's Journey, and I just want to come up here for a quick second. I just got off work, as you can see. I'm fashionable stated. But yeah, so I went to go and get my inspection done and an oil change. Now I know the oil change is expensive, but I didn't think that getting these two bulbs right here in order for my inspection to pass would be as expensive as it is. So they're trying to charge me. They're trying to charge me. The parts aren't but $11. The labor, $63 for each one, which comes up to a total of $127.40 for each one, I guess including taxes. But this would be the amount for them both to get done. And with the oil change, it came up to like $311. I said no thank you, and I went and I purchased the bulbs, $8.99. So I'm gonna show y'all how to change it, and it's up to you to want to do it yourself. I'm not a mechanic. I YouTube stuff, and I'm gonna do this myself because I'm not paying $149 just to change two bulbs. So stay tuned. Mind you, I was at the mechanic shop for 3.5 hours. I went there as soon as I got off work. So I got to the shop at like 7:30-ish. And I'm just now leaving, and it is 11:18. So I'm trying to set up the camera so you guys will be able to see. Sorry for all the noise. I don't have my microphone. Okay, let's see. Make sure you have some type of gloves. You don't want to touch the bulb with your hand. And you just come and you twist it. I already loosened this. We'll take this. No! We're going to take this out. Oh, that's even better. Thank you, Lord. So we're going to take this out. We're going to open the new one. We're going to do this for both sides, and I'm probably going to record the other side as well. You want to kind of be careful when you open it so you don't break the bulb. I guess I should do this with my gloves off. The reason why you don't want to touch the bulb with your hand is because any contaminant or anything that's on the bulb could possibly make the bulb blow quicker, I believe, or cause it to not work or something. Not really entirely sure, but you get the gist. And then you just put it in here like so. Snap it in. You don't have to put it too tight, just make sure that it's in there snug, you know. And then we're gonna put it back in here. Gonna make sure that it's locked. So you probably have to turn it, which I'm doing right now, turning it to make sure that it's locked in place. And you're going to want to pull to make sure that it's locked in place. because you don't want it to come out and then you lose that piece. I'm not sure how much that piece is, but you want to make sure that it's completely turned horizontally. Okay, so let's go to the other side. Maybe you'll be able to see this. Matter of fact, let me just, yeah. But okay, let's turn it on. So now this one is working. Okay, this one is working. My lights are working. This one is not working, so we're gonna change this one next. Oops. It's gonna be under here. Trying to get you guys a look. So it's gonna be right here. Okay? Put you back right there. And then we're going to make sure it's the right one. I'm going to twist it off. Have to twist it the other way. So I used my middle finger, both my middle fingers, and I just placed one middle finger on the opposite side on the top, and then on the other side on the bottom, and I twisted it. That's the only way I could do it. I'm a country girl. I learn quick. So you saw it wasn't working. We're gonna change this one like we changed the other one. And it's gonna go in like this. Can you see, like, it has a flat piece, and you just want to make sure that it goes in between those 4 prongs. And snap it in like that. And then we're gonna put it back. I'll feel for the hole first, and then I'll put it in there carefully, because I don't want to break nothing. Because as we know, going to the mechanic is expensive. So I'll push it in there. I want to make sure that I turn it and twist it to get into the locking position. And then I would turn it. It's easier to turn it with just one hand than it was to turn it and lock it with one hand than it was to unlock it, because I just couldn't get a grip on it. But let's see if it works. It works. There we go. So you don't have to pay a lot of money to get things done. You know, they're not going to tell you how cheap it is to do it yourself, to go to the place and buy it yourself. But it was as easy as that. So women, we need to get out here and we need to start learning how to do at least the simple things on our vehicle. But if you're not comfortable, I suggest you not try it. But me, I know my capabilities and my abilities, so I tried it and it worked. And it didn't cost me $149. So yeah, that's it. Everyone be blessed. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.